Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In today's video I will show you how to make money with clipping on a Whop. First we need to see some opportunity what we clipping, and it is easy to find. You click here or on type clipping, and here you can see some boys or girls what you can clip. We can look on this. I don't know. You can see I don't try this. Now you can go here on content reward. Okay. I see here you need to get permission to be here. No problem. We can go for second one. What is this man? He have also waitlist. Okay, I maybe see this is good for us. Training must be 100% completed. Video must paint Whop in good light. Profile must be set up correctly. View training. Profile must be submitted in submit account. Minimum of 5,000 views to be paid out. We can search for something else, but this is not that bad. Okay, now this is for me personally is good, because they say clips can to make I don't read it because I 100% read the bad, look bad. Clip views, these things can be bots, yeah, bottle in any way. The video must be 8-second minimum. Video can't be stolen from other clippers. We value quality the most, and here we have some. Now I go to download some of his videos. We go use Opus clip, and we only take, or I don't know, this, and we copy URL, and now you get the free trial for 7 days. You can see here no credit card required, and we now go start. You go again, get clip, and we can set up it, but I think okay, we can choose this. I think it is best, or I think this. It is up to you. And now get clip, and now you can go to, now you can choose anything. It is up to you. Yeah, it's, I don't know, about now this, and yes, we can't do it. Yeah, and now we need to wait, and we can do some other works. I make some YouTube channel and some TikTok channel, and it is almost done, and we only need to wait. But I don't like the waiting. We can see someone earn with his content reward and these things more than $1,000 in 24 hours. This is insane. And if we look on the week, for more than $4,000, this is insane. And in the month, it is important to say, oh, they change, but $30,000. Whoa, this is insane. But we get the videos, and you can see here we get this much clips for him with one single videos on YouTube. Yeah, you can see it. This This is a low for the viral content, but you get everything you need. You get this, everything, what I say, everything you get. It is a perfect opportunity. You have all links in the description if you need something, but I go to download, and now we download the video. What is best? I upload on Whop, where you need to upload the media, and if you need to look, this is what I made. I make some description. You can see here on TikTok, yeah, and now it is going to publish, and now we need to go back, and now here, yeah, and I need to wait. Now first is YouTube. Now we need to verify. It is here, profile, my profile. You can refresh. Yes, here. They give us some verification code, and we need to add to bio. And if we add, we go to verify, and we get verified, I think. And now we go submit. Wait a few seconds, and you can see our first YouTube is here, and the same with TikTok, and now the same with verification. Copy, bio, verify. Now we are verified and need to submit. Okay guys, this is end of the video. Please like, comment, share, and bye bye. And if you need more videos, subscribe please.